Hey, so today we're going to be discussing our fourth consonant in our unit, and that is the letter R. And right here is the capital R, and right here is the lowercase r. And they make the sound. Now, when we're in class, we normally like to get some of our things around the classroom that start with the letter R. So I would like for you to also find some things around your house that start with the letter R. And I went around and found a few things in my house that I wanted to share with you. So one of the first things that I found was a rabbit. It's a rabbit. Rabbit. R. Rabbit. Rabbit. I also found a red marker. Red marker. It's the color red. Now I also found a box of raisins. 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 And last, I had my daughter make me a picture of a rainbow. A rainbow. 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 All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the words that our unique program gave us that start with the letter R. Okay, so we have up here, we have rope, rope. We tie a rope. Next word is rice, rice, rice. The next word we have is rat, rat. I get a little scared when I think of rat. And the last word we have is run, run, run. All right, so those are our 4 words that we have. And see if you can find a few things around your house that start with the letter R.